I'm gonna be at the place where I need to be. There's no defeating me. You'll see me taking the throne again. I'll give it and take it and show that I'm in control and that I'm making it known. I'm in paradise. I'm fully having the real ones know that I'm holding the record. I'm staying consistent. I wanted to move and actually wait for the moment.
And here we go.
You better gather my enemies. Say we about to get even. I looked at the devil. I told him that he was a powerless demon. Deep and hollow in the building. I'm honestly feeling victorious. I'm feeling victorious. I'm feeling victorious. You better gather the remnant and say we ain't gotta get even. I looked at the devil and I told him that he was a powerless demon. Deep and hollow in the building. I'm feeling victorious. I'm feeling victorious. I'm feeling victorious.
What up, boys and girls? It's the homie and your brethren, BCP Become Pro, and I'm back in the building. I'm sorry that it took so long to make new videos for you guys. I recently took a little vacation with the girlfriend, you know what I'm saying? Try to get my mind cleared out and, you know, just relax. So I'm back, better than ever, with new high energy. Now, today's video, we're going to be looking at a new song featuring Easy Mill. This song was made by Scru Face Jean. Now, I've been seeing this comment blasted everywhere, you know what I mean? Y'all been spamming me so hard, wanted me to react to this video, right? So I got y'all, you know what I'm saying? We fam. And let's just get into it. So if you do enjoy the content, please be sure to subscribe. Let's extend our relationship. If you have not subscribed already, what's taking you so long? Click on the damn button! So, Scru Face Jean, I've heard of him before. I looked at his stuff before, you know what I mean? Yeah, he's a reactor and he also makes music, which is awesome. He diversifies his income. I mean, you know, diversifies his content. He has other shit, you know what I mean? So, shout out to Mr. Scru Face. I'm here to see. I hope Easy Mill didn't take your song, man. I hope he didn't, you know what I mean? I hope he didn't kill it and you didn't deliver it. So, that's shit. That's always shitty. It's called Rightoues and Ratchet. Oh my god, hold on y'all. Scru Face Jean. Oh, my guy's in a Nissan. Sooner or later he's gonna pull up in a Beamer.
Time to get to it.
Oh, that's what.
Let's get right.
That's his setup, huh?
Hello?
Hey, what up, guy?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous.
That's
Ratchet.
woo.
It's about that time.
That's a cool ass link
It's about
up.
that time.
That's a cool ass link
Go,
up.
man. Let's go.
Righteous and Ratchet. All right, let's get Ratchet then. What's up? Talk to me. Easy.
I came from the sand of a holy land. Understand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose a stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam. Like OnlyFans, you fucked off in the short of Canaan, righteous in the broken land.
He said like OnlyFans. I missed something, y'all. 1 second. Oh, and they're about to turn up. Look at them about to dance. As soon as that bass drop, damn, they're about to go crazy.
Turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose a stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam. Like OnlyFans, you fucked off in the short of Canaan, righteous in the broken land. All of that chicken, none of that chat. We can be right to the rest. Bitch be talking, bitch be capping. We can be right to the rest.
Alright, yo, so I'm having issues with my system. I cannot seem to hear bass, so forgive me, y'all. If you can't hear the bass, don't come at me. It's very, very frustrating that I can't hear every part, every good quality in this song, so forgive me, y'all. Let me go back. Oh, this song's kind of short.
If you owe it, man, I control my band like Axel, I rose a stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam. Like OnlyFans, you fucked off in the short of Canaan, righteous in the broken land. All of that chicken, none of that chat. We can be right to the rest.
Oh!
Talk the bitch be capping. We can be right to the rest.
Ratchet, right. Hey! Ratchet, Ratchet!
cap like a top hat. So fucking nigga, I want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginnings until I'm fucking, I'm winning. The middle lane is full of stakes. I gotta.
Yo, he's hard. He's hard. I like his flow. I didn't know he can rap, man, like that. He's spitting more than a 16 bar.
So what the fuck you call that? They all cap like a top hat. So fucking nigga, I want all that. You all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back.
Take it all back.
All scraps. I can't fucking, I'm winning. The middle lane is full of stakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, better run around with it. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch cause I'm lyrically imitating. I'm billing y'all like bitches, some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from or at, homie.
Oh.
Send me your addy, we put it up now. Send me the addy, we put it up now. Fuck up your block, we running you down. Now you got murder on the car. Who fucking that's $1 on the rigger? We gon' run the extra, driving in the sprinter with the SMS, the sign and deliver like a homies. Rest in peace, t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quick shit.
He said stepping twice till my feet hurt.
Rest in peace, t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt.
The pop smoke? Yeah. We could be righteous and ratchet. We could be righteous and ratchet. That's hard.
Up in a demon whip, got the cane cup that a fiend can sip, but the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen, tripping on down to a pool of the soul. Y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she bent for the pole.
Alright, so yeah, Scru Face and Easy Mill, they built a chemistry in the song, and the way it's just meshed together, it sounds so beautiful. Like y'all been doing this. Are you sure? Y'all, is this your first track together? Like, y'all so good at this shit, man. The way you guys, your togetherness, you know, and when the next man is up, you know what I mean, and just takes over. These guys, they got something, man. They actually got one, and I think this is the start of something new. Maybe they can collab more, make more bangers. You know what I'm saying? Like, I see the potential. So yo, shout out to these two.
The Reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house and I'll go in the bay where the Pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team, gotta stick them with a semi, they pros. Like a mobster, eat a lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty of options. Body on my body, cause Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
Oh, fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner. Come on, and Easy Mill takes over. That's hard. Let me go back.
Gotta stick him with a semi, they pros. Like a mobster, eat a lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you go.
Michael Lobster, whoa. Michael Lobster gotta eat the pasta. Whoa. Oh.
Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
Like a soccer, deflating those booty shells that they blanca. We lots in Boeings to set up to Hasa. So get to home and they set up your store.
All of that.
He was singing. Yeah, they look like they had a lot of fun making this one, man. Okay. The beat's hot. I wish I, oh my god, I'm just so mad that this bass doesn't work. Like, what the fuck? Village Boy. Wow, Jean got his own ass album too. We got a whole album with Tech 9. That's hard. I see y'all. Okay. Shout out to the Pinot gang one time. Scru Face. Hey, I feel like they got more coming in store for us, so we'll see. We'll see, man. So if you guys do enjoy the reaction, please be sure. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what else is hot, and we'll get down to it, man. We'll react to it. You do what I'm saying? So anyways, that's going to do it. Hope y'all enjoy. Peace and love. Happy Friday. Yay, yay. Peace.